Hi, everyone. Welcome to Pink Meets Physics, the most totally amazing crossover podcast ever. I'm your host, Barbie, and today we're going nuclear with fashion tips.
I believe there's been some misunderstanding about the nature of my work.
Oh, don't be so serious, Oppie. Can I call you Oppie? Your glasses are totes adorbs, by the way. Very retro chic.
Thank you, I suppose, though I should clarify that I became the destroyer of worlds, not a fashion icon.
Destroyer of worlds. Is that like when you accidentally wear plaid with stripes? Because I've been there.
No, it refers to the atomic bomb, the Manhattan Project. Perhaps you've heard of it.
Manhattan. I love shopping there. Did you design a project runway or something?
I led a team of scientists who harnessed the power of nuclear fission, forever changing the course of human history and warfare.
Wow, that sounds heavy. I once changed the course of fashion history by wearing heels to the beach. We're basically twins.
I quoted the Bhagavad Gita upon witnessing the first nuclear explosion. Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds.
OMG, I totally get quoting things. I once said, math is hard. Can you believe they printed that on actual dolls? Talk about regrets.
Yes, regret is something I understand intimately. The moral weight of scientific advancement without ethical consideration is,
Speaking of weight, how do you keep so slim? Is it all that pacing around laboratories looking worried?
I, that's not, perhaps we should discuss something else.
Great idea. Let's talk about our movies. Mine made $1 billion. How about yours?
My biographical film was also quite successful, though I suspect for very different reasons.
Did yours have a dream house or convertibles or a dance number about existential crises?
No, it featured the existential crisis of humanity grappling with the power to destroy itself.
See? We do have things in common. Existential stuff.
I suppose in some extremely abstract way, we are both cultural icons representing different aspects of American achievement.
Exactly. You split the atom, I split from gendered expectations. Twinsies.
That's actually a more insightful comparison than I anticipated.
I contain multitudes, Oppie. Just because I'm plastic doesn't mean I'm superficial.
A fair point. Perhaps I've been too quick to judge.
That's the spirit. Now, let's talk about your outfit. Have you considered something less mushroom cloud colored?
I believe this podcast may be more explosive than anticipated.
That's what I always say. Life's too short not to make an impact, whether it's fashion or physics.
Indeed, though perhaps with fewer world-ending consequences next time.
Deal. And that's our show, listeners. Remember, whether you're splitting atoms or serving looks, always be your authentic self.
What a strange new world this is.
Is he still recording? Because I have questions about quantum physics and how it might explain where all my missing shoes go.